We are a full-service furniture repair, furniture refinishing and furniture restoration company in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Custom Furniture Restoration is a family-owned business for over 60 years. We proudly offer professional antique furniture repair and antique furniture restoration services in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Assuring the stability and preserving the appearance will maintain the integrity of your furniture and preserve the family history of ownership. Proper furniture repair procedures provide strength, stability and reinforcement of structural components. We can offer you recommendations as to what constitutes honest and acceptable furniture repairs and restoration. We also offer flexible service hours for corporations with our on-site restoration of executive office furniture, which includes desks, credenzas, conference tables, and chairs.